Okay, real talk. For me, skin after 50 is just different. Thinner, drier, a little more tired looking, even when I feel perfectly fine. I found this hydrating moisturizer. And what I really like about it is it feels rich going on. Doesn't sit there like frosting on a cake, okay? My skin feels softer in the morning, not tight or papery. It's so nice. Very nice. And it smells really good. It gives a subtle little glow that makes you look rested instead of shiny. Why this one stood out to me, other than all the other 5,000 moisturizers I've used, it's not one of those watery lotions that disappear in like 5 minutes. It actually feels like it's doing something. And the hydration does really last. I'm not reaching for another layer an hour later. It smooths things out just enough that my makeup goes on a bit nicer. And it really does feel nourishing without being greasy, because you know what? I hate to say it, mature skin still does not want to feel slick. And a pea-size amount is really enough, so you're not burning through the jar in 5 days. But anyway, if your skin has been feeling dry, dull, or just a little blah, like me, this feels like a grown-up version of moisturizer. Comforting, solid, and no drama. Highly recommend. This review is sponsored by the brand.